Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. Today I have a little fun video for you guys, a trip down the memory lane, and I just show you a little flip of my past summer journals from Planner Perfect. And yeah, let's get started. I will start with let's go back to my first one, which was in August 2020, and I used a white size. Here I used a blue pen and dot grid. So yeah, it's really lovely to look back to these past journals. I definitely had a little bit more of scripting in here than in my other journals or planners, and I was trying out a lot of different things, and yeah, I really had fun in here. And yeah, that's this one. Let's go to June 2021. That was not the best year for us. And here are a lot of blank pages because of that event or news. And so yeah, but I mean, that's life. So if there are blank pages, either you had a really bad time or maybe just good times and were busy out and about. Especially in the summertime, I will be out and about a lot, enjoying the weather and go on vacation, on trips and all the things. Yeah. That's that one. Let's look into July. Yeah, I like this one with the yellow and the blues all together. Yeah, it was that time. Yeah. Stamping the days. Maybe I have been a little bit out of frame, but I also like that one a lot. And some postcards I got, and that's it. This is August, just a journal. Vacation. Did not finish. Yeah, kind of, I don't know what happened here. Yeah, and I really like this washi tape from Planner Perfect, and these are stickers from my friend KDA Plans. Yeah, here we go. And then these are B6 slim size journals. Oh, I forgot to say that then I changed to standard size from white to standard, but I really like the white size. Standard and then B6 slim. Okay, and let's have a little look in here. What I did here was like a currently section, just doing like what have I been reading, watching, yeah, planners, what I ate or something like that. Yeah, that's June, July. I still have to put down some pictures. Yeah, and this is our trip to Netherlands. Little travel journaling. I really like that. Here I really did a lot of travel memory keeping journaling while we have been there. I used this Canon Zoe Mini or Canon Ivy printer, but the pictures are not that good as the pictures from Canon Selfie or from a drugstore, so I added those pictures in here, and that's always a downfall for me, that I'm not able to put down the pictures while we are traveling, because I really want the quality pics in here, and so I really print them out when I'm back. Sometimes I do it while we were on a trip, but depends on the location. So I have not much time while we are on a trip, so, but I really love this one. Yeah. And yeah, so we are almost through the journals. Then we went to Belgium to visit Van Gogh historical sites, and I really love this yellow and blues, and yeah, and also pink and turquoise, and yeah, that was really fun, and I really enjoyed the size. So yeah. we are done. Okay, yeah, here is a flip of all these summer journals, and I hope you liked to go back with me, yeah, down the memory lane. And now I have a new one. A new journal for summer. Let's see if I can fill it with some summer memories, and I will do a flip then later on. All right, you guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.